Hello and welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you come across the channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button and activating the bell icon to receive a notification when we post a new video. Our recipe for today is simple and easy, yet filling with so many benefits. We'll be doing an avocado smoothie with pistachios. You'll need a banana, milk or any other nut milk, one avocado and a few pistachios, as well as dates to sweeten to taste. You can omit it if you like, or you can replace it with honey. My kids just love it with dates, and with all the many health benefits to it too, it's a win-win either way. I used homemade oat milk. You can view the video of how I made it in less than 2 minutes if you're not sure of making it. I'll put the link in the video description below, so I'll blend it all up and then I'll serve immediately. I'd love to decorate with some finely chopped pistachios for the bigger kid. This is a really healthy smoothie. It's high in vitamins and minerals and healthy fatty acids that are essential for a healthy brain and healthy immune system. It helps with concentration and memory, and also the fiber in it makes you feel fuller for longer, and it contains magnesium, which is known to assist a calm sleep. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment below on what is your favorite smoothie blend. I'd love to hear from you. Stay safe and have a blessed day, and see you in another video. Bye bye.